The input vector is of the order m cross 1. It is again a column vector. And the system matrix is of the order n cross n. It is the coefficients of state variable vector. The coefficients of the state variable vector are called as system matrix. It is of the order n cross n. The coefficients of input matrix is of the order n cross m. It is given by the matrix B. It is called as input matrix. The equation x of t is called the state equation of linear time invariant system. Similarly, the output equation of the system can be given by output vector y of t is equal to function of x of t, u of t. The output at any time instant are functions of state variables and inputs. Just recollect the block diagram representation of a control system in state space, which comprises of m number of input variables, p number of output variables, and n number of state variables. Similar to the state equation, we can derive the output equation by the linear combination of state variables and inputs. The output variables can be expressed as a linear combination of state variables and inputs. Output vector y of t is equal to function of x of t, u of t. y1 is the first output of the system. It is given by C11 into x1 plus C12 into x2 till C1n into xn plus D11 into u1 plus D12 into u2 plus till it extends to D1m into um. Similarly, we can define the outputs till p output variables. For the second output variable, we can write the differential equation in the combination of state variables as well as the inputs. Similarly, it can be extended till p output variables. Again, the coefficients are constant. Similar to the state equation, which comprises of the coefficients an and bn, are constants as per the principle of homogeneity for linear time invariant systems. Here, for the output variables, the coefficients Cij and Dij are constants. Now, the output variables, which is expressed as a linear combination of state variables and inputs, can be expressed in the matrix form, and the equations can be rewritten as y1 till yp, which is a single column matrix, is equal to the coefficient matrix C11 till Cpn into the state variables x1, x2 till xn plus the coefficients of the input variables is represented by the coefficients d11 till dpm into the column vector or the input vector u1 till um. The output equation is given by y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t, where x of t is equal to state vector of the order n cross 1 and u of t is equal to the input vector of the order m cross 1, and the output vector is of the order p cross 1 and the output matrix is of the order p cross n and the transmission matrix is of the order p cross m. Just correlate with the state equation what we have derived previously. State vector, input vector, output vector are single column vectors. The coefficient matrix will be of the order p cross n for the output matrix and p cross m for the transmission matrix. The output matrix depends upon the output variables and the state variables. Transmission matrix depends upon the output variables and input variables. The equation y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t is called the output equation of linear time invariant system. The state model of a system consists of the state equation and the output equation, or the state equation and the output equation together called as the state model of the system. Hence, The state model consists of a linear time invariant system is given by the equations x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t, y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t, where x dot of t represents the state equation and y of t represents the output equation. This is the state model of the nth order system. We can obtain the expression of the transfer function from the state model, and we can derive the state model from the transfer function also. It is vice versa. Now, in the generalized form, the state model, it consists of the state equation and the output equation. The state model of the nth order system with m inputs and p outputs are given by x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. Similarly, y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t, where capital X of t is called the state vector and u of t is called as the input vector. A is the system matrix, B is the input matrix, y of t is the output vector, and C is the output matrix, and D is the transmission matrix. Now, you can infer the coefficients, matrix, order, and the input vector matrix, output vector matrix, and the state vector matrix as column vectors. So, this is the state model of nth order system. So, till now, we have learnt what is state space analysis, definition of state, what is state variables, what is state equation, how to formulate the state model of a linear time invariant system by linear combination of state variables and inputs as first order differential equations. We have derived the state equation as well as the output equation. So, for any order of the system, we can represent the state model. It can be concluded that the state variable analysis can be applied for any type of the system. The analysis can be carried with initial